Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Want to use your trusty PS4 controller on your PC without any fuss? In 2025, connecting it with a simple USB cable is surprisingly easy and incredibly reliable. This method bypasses common compatibility headaches, ensuring a smooth gaming experience from the get-go. We're talking plug-and-play simplicity, making your gaming setup more versatile and enjoyable than ever before. Get ready to game with comfort and precision on your computer. The secret to this seamless connection lies with DS4 Windows, which in 2025 remains the one essential software. It cleverly translates your PS4 controller's signals into an Xbox 360 controller input. This is crucial because nearly every PC game natively recognizes Xbox controllers, eliminating compatibility issues entirely. You get full button functionality, responsive controls, and even rumble feedback, making your gaming experience truly immersive. Getting DS4 Windows set up is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Begin by downloading the absolute latest version directly from its official GitHub repository to ensure you have the most current drivers. Once downloaded, simply extract all the files to a new, dedicated folder on your PC. Then, run the DS4 Windows executable file, which will guide you through installing any necessary drivers with clear, easy-to-follow on-screen prompts. With DS4 Windows installed, the next step is effortless. Simply plug your PS4 controller into any available USB port on your PC using a standard micro USB cable. DS4 Windows will instantly recognize it, displaying its battery level and allowing you to select a profile. You then have full control to customize button assignments, fine-tune sensitivity settings, and even personalize the light bar color to match your gaming setup perfectly. It's all incredibly intuitive. To ensure your gaming always runs smoothly, remember a few key tips. If your controller isn't initially detected, try switching to a different USB port or using another micro USB cable, as these are common quick fixes. Always keep DS4 Windows running minimized in your system tray while you're gaming for uninterrupted control. Finally, regularly check for updates to DS4 Windows. Staying current guarantees optimal performance and compatibility with all your latest game titles. Now go enjoy your games.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.